Hello everyone. My name is Hezi Wang, and today I'm gonna to do my first quick play screen recording with using Eclipse to do my first Java programmer to write my first Java program. Before I actually launch the Eclipse to write my program language, I want to give a little bit background where I started my Java program. So my boyfriend gave me a Java program book, and um, I started reading it. This book is for a beginner who wants to start learning the Java language. So I basically read chapter 1.1 to 1.6 before I started my first Java program. So these chapters basically gives me a very detailed introduction to the computers, um, including some hardwares, and it also gave me an introduction to the programs and program languages, and also introduction to Java language. So after I read all these introductions and background information, I went to chapter 1.7, which started with a simple Java program. So in today's video, I'm gonna show show you guys my experience with my first Java program languages. So before I even recording this video, I went online and um, did a 20 minutes watch a 20 minutes video, uh, like educating, showing me how to install the Eclipse and how to started a um, start how to introduce me all the prep works to start writing a Java languages. So let me show you my work. Okay, so first I will launch Eclipse. This is a I think it's a tool to use tool used to write a Java languages. So let's launch the program, and it's a little bit slow, but it's okay. Actually, I have already created the first project, which is very I learned it from the YouTube tutorial. So this is my first project name called Project One. So today I'm gonna follow the instruction from the books, and to display the message "Welcome to Java" on this program platform, and in another word, on the console. And the console is according to the book, is an old computer term that refers to the text entry and display device of a computer. So I actually use a Google translation. It means 控制台. I think I still need to do some work to learn what does this means. But console input means to receive input from the keyboard, like we type some instructions into the platform. And console output means to display those languages on the monitor. So this is kind of what this program include. So as I think as my book shows, the line 1 is define a class. So it says every Java program must have at least one class, and the class must start with an upper class. So the name of my first class is first code. So when I started to creating a class, I go to this part, and then I created a new Java project. I'm sorry, I think I'm doing wrong. No, I think I created a class. and then he will let me to give a class name. And the first time I type with a lowercase, and it won't allow me to go through. Oh, what's going on here? I don't know. I have no idea what's going on, so I'm gonna delete it. I'm just gonna use this one for my first program languages. So after we create a class, the second part is um, to create a main method, which is gonna be line 2. Actually, the main method is located under the class, and the main method is a beginning point where the program begins execution. So the main method is going to contain a statement. And the display of this today's statement is welcome to Java. Okay, let's do this way. So I'm gonna type the strings of statement first, then I'm gonna explain what these are. Okay. Why it shows me?
Sorry, I couldn't hear what you said.
So the line I'm typing right now is a comment according to the book, and the comment is something that document what the program is and how it's gonna be constructed. So they are not programming statement. They just help the programmers to understand what's gonna be in the program. So I'm gonna type no. What's going on here? Welcome. So the line I'm typing right now is actually the main method in this program contains a system out print ln statement. So this statement, we're gonna display the welcome to Java. I'm gonna type into this string. And in the parentheses, I'm gonna type welcome to Java. So the book tells us a parenthesis means an open and closing parenthesis means used with the method. Okay, let's run for it. What's going on? Oh, slash. I forgot the slash. Actually, the book tells us the double slash means precede a comment line. So yeah, it looks like everything gets right now. And I forgot the semicolon. Yeah, that's right. And the book tells us the semicolon marks the end of the statement. When I'm missing it, the system is not gonna to display it. So but why I cannot? This section cannot be launched, and there are no recent launches.